Hi viewers, a new twist in Gonda train accident inquiry. Up till now, there hadn't been any endeavor towards recording the coach parameters of the accident involved coaches. In the last 18-20 days, a great research or analysis or in-depth study of all the track parameters have been conducted by the Honorable Commission, and as is known that there had not been a single measurement of a coach nor it had been ordered. So the inquiry had been going on in its own way, and the witnesses being re-examined by another CRS from South Central Railway. However, from the witnesses interaction, nothing concrete was found to be attributing towards the cause of derailment as far as P-way is concerned. Now let me show you the way the restoration had been done. There is one thing called quickest restoration at any cost. This train comprised of, I think, the 23 coaches, and except 4, all the coaches have been toppled, turtled and thrown away from the track, though they could be re-railed and reused, put into service. Now, this is the way these coaches were off track by using JCBs, and one can see mercilessly coaches are being handled or rather mishandled, although we can see the track beneath wherein it could be possible to re-rail with a little bit of repair or in the wisdom of the highest authority available at the site, it was decided to throw away. Hopefully, one thing was getting lost, and that was the clues and the evidence, which are no more to be found at. And you can see the way even the coaches which were very near to the track, it could be repaired by lifting and putting some sleepers inside the track and re-railing it again, but no, these were pushed off the track. Yes. See the way everything is taken in the name of early research. Very costly coaches, but well, the decision of the competent authority is always to be honored. No comments. what about coach measurements? See, once an inquiry is constituted, both track as well as the rolling stock has to be measured, be it a locomotive, be it a goods wagon, or be it a passenger coach. So अब क्या हुआ, 8 तारीख को CPTM एक लेटर देते हैं which reads block for measurement of derailed coaches. As per above referred letter, 35 hours of block has been demanded for loading of trolleys and re-railing of toppled coaches for measurement. Derailed between Motiganj Jilahi section of Lucknow division and blah blah. फिर ये कहते हैं ड्यूरिंग अबव ब्लॉक मूवमेंट ऑफ अप एंड डाउन ट्रेन्स विल बी ब्लॉक्ड कंप्लीटली मोरओवर ड्यू टू दिस वर्क ड्यूरिंग द process OHE and track are also likely to be damaged and shifted, for which additional block will be required. May kindly do measurements of work coaches as on various basis. Very nice, very nice. आपको रिस्टोरेशन में लगे 24, आप इसको सारे प्रोसेस को रीरेल करने में मांग रहे 35. What is salvaging? Why do we need to do this entire work in 35 hours? Why can't we split it into at a time 2 to 3 coaches to be re-railed and taken to a station? ये कुछ नहीं है. This is all simple avoidance of the normal procedured work. कैसे 35 आवर्स कैलकुलेट किया भगवान मालिक है. तो प्लेस ए क्रेन प्रॉपिंग में आपको मान के चलिए 1 घंटा, डी प्रॉपिंग में मान के चलिए 1 घंटा. 140 टन की क्रेन है, 43, 44, 53 टन का आपने एक कोच उठाना है. हाउ लॉन्ग डज इट टेक? ओनली यू नीड टू लोअर द OHE. कैसे ट्रैक डिस्टर्ब होगा? I don't know what is the thought process, with what way they want to re-rail the coaches. करना है, there is a way out. नहीं करना है, there are 35 ideas which can stop doing work. तो आप खुद देख लीजिए ये लेटर क्या बोलते हैं, क्या कहते हैं. सेम 8 तारीख को बोलते हैं लगेंगे, और फिर वेरियस एज इज बेसिस पे मेजरमेंट ले लो. अरे CRS तो ट्राई कर चुका, कुछ नहीं हुआ. वो मेजरमेंट करने वाले ही लिखते हैं CNM could not be measured, CNM could not be measured. क्यों तमाशा हो रहा है ये? So viewers, thanks for watching. इस इंक्वायरी का क्या आउटकम होगा, so only and only known to Almighty. इतना कह सकते हैं कि अब हम जो भी इसमें डिपार्टमेंटलिज्म कुश्ती वुश्ती कर लें, फैक्चुअली वन साइडेड इंक्वायरी ड्रॉ करना इज इम्पॉसिबल. और लेट्स वेट एंड वॉच. Thank you once again for watching this video, and hopefully this would be the first inquiry of its sort. ऐसी आज तक हम लोगों ने देखी नहीं है. Thank you once again. Stay blessed. Keep watching.